Your name, sir?
Chris Malash. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
Come on up here, folks. Both of you right out next to the podium there. Tell me your name, ma'am.
Jenny Senior.
Good morning, sir. Your name?
Wayne Senior.
$1,500. Did you start the job yet?
What was happening is I had serious problems with my van.
All right, hang on a second. This seems pretty basic to me. I mean, I'm only going to ask myself one question. Two questions. Did they give you $1,500 as a down?
They did.
Hang on. And did you start the work like you were supposed to by September 30th? Hang on.
Oh.
If they gave you $1,500 and you didn't start the work, you guys can do one of two things. You can either give them back the $1,500 today, which I'm going to expect you to do, because you wouldn't have spent the money if you didn't earn it yet, or we're going to proceed to a judgment. But you can't take down payments and not do things. I don't want to hear this about your van. Did he communicate to that to you, that he had problems with his van?
Yes,
sir.
All right. So I'm going in chambers. You guys are going to go talk this out for a couple minutes. But it seems to me that if they gave you $1,500, and if you didn't start the work when you're supposed to, they can say, just give me the $1,500, which I'm going to expect you to give back today, right now. Go to the bank and get it. Or you guys can agree, hey, he's going to start by, we understood he had a van problem. The contract was for.
All right, folks, let's cut the fluff. Chris M. shows up in court, and the tension walks in with him. The judge ain't buying excuses. Jenny and Wayne dropped $1,500, and the job never started. The guy talks about van troubles, really? You take people's money, you show up and work. Period. The judge lays it out, pay back today or face judgment. No sob stories. No delays.
And we're going to proceed in accordance with the contractual terms that we agreed upon initially. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm getting off this bench. You guys go talk. Come on back in when you're done. Thank you.
Chris Malash.
Did you guys resolve it?
Yes, sir.
What is the resolution?
So we agreed to Chris's request to pay in 6 months installment. The total comes up with the court fees of $1,623 divided by 6 months.
Hang on one second.
Sure.
So let's just talk about the figures first.
Yes, sir.
You have $1,500 plus you have $65 in a filing fee.
Yes.
Plus you have $58.25 in a service fee.
Yes, sir.
So that total amounts to $123.25 plus the $1,500. So is that total $1,623.25?
Yes, sir.
Why can't you pay them today?
I couldn't even make rent, Your Honor.
You took their $1,500.
Right.
Listen.
Sorry.
Get one thing straight, a contract is a contract. Chris is cornered. The judge gives them two options, refund or stick to the deal. They settle on a payment plan. $1,623.25 spread across 6 months. Sounds fair, right? But wait, Chris can't even pay today. Can't make rent? Then why'd you touch that $1,500? This ain't monopoly money. You don't spend what's not yours.
You took their $1,500. You were supposed to start by September 24th or 21st. I mean, you should not have spent that money. It wasn't yours.
I didn't.
What do you mean you didn't? If you didn't spend, hang on.
I'm sorry.
If you didn't spend the money, you'd be able to go get it out of an account right now, wouldn't you?
Yes.
Then you did spend the money.
Can I explain?
I can't wait to hear.
In the meantime, with all the van problems and everything else that we had, when I first started working on her.
Just give me the short version.
Okay. Someone went into the bank account and I lost 2 deposits and whatever money I had The bank is already trying to work on that.
Somebody went into your bank account?
Yes, so I had to close
Who?
the bank account. We don't know. It's just all numbers. It was a business
Wait a minute,
account.
wait a minute, slow down. Did you make a police report?
No, I just told the bank and filled out their paper.
Slow down. You're telling me somebody went into your bank account and took money out of it?
Yeah,
And the bank didn't reimburse you?
no. I had to fill out.
Slow
the
down.
paper.
That's a fraud. They can't go into your bank account and start taking out money. Go make a police report today, right now, when you leave.
I didn't know about that.
I want to get this correct. Let me just make sure I understand everything now. You took $1,500, right?
Yes,
You were supposed to start by September 24th, right?
right,
You didn't start by September 24th, right?
right.
Now you're telling me somebody went in and took that money out of your account without your permission?
Yes,
Now it gets wild. Chris says someone hacked his bank account twice. First $2,400, then $3,800. No police report. No follow-up. Just excuses. You lose thousands and don't tell the cops? Come on. The judge is stunned. So are we. This ain't just a van problem anymore, it's a mess, and Chris is stuck in it. He better get ready to explain himself because the court isn't playing around.
And you didn't, and the bank didn't reimburse you.
no,
Hang on. And you never made a police report.
no,
Why not?
because I didn't, I was told to fill out the paperwork. It's because it's a business account and.
I don't care what kind of an account it is. They don't get, nobody has a
They
right to
said
go
that they'll look into it and see what they can. do.
look into it. Get the police to look at it. The person who did that should be prosecuted.
Okay, no.
They should get to come in front of me or Judge Hessen or some other judge, wherever it happened. Where's your account?
It's a credit union in,
You don't know what credit union you,
West.
come on, Mr. Malash.
It's
I've been around the block.
public service credit union.
All right, on West Road?
Yes,
Hi. They didn't tell you to go to the police and you didn't think to go to the police? Somebody
No.
stealing money out of
I
your
figured the
account?
bank would handle it.
The bank, if the bank reimbursed you, then you might have a point. You're telling me they took money out of your account. How much money was taken out of your account?
There was roughly 38.
3,800?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd be
That was
going.
the second time. The first time was 2,400.
What first
We
time?
got that back through PayPal.
When did that happen?
Well, that was when I was doing their condo in August, I think it was.
I don't think I want to hear anymore. So how much do you have him paying every 6 months?
$270.50, Your Honor.
Does that come out? That doesn't come out to 1623.25, does it?
I thought it did.
We added 25.
How much did you say?
$270.50.
The judge does the math, locks in the deal, $270.50 monthly, January 1st to June 1st. Sounds like mercy, honestly. Chris nods, signs, but the judge isn't done. You should have gone to the police, he says, and he's damn right. If $3,800 vanishes and you just let the bank handle it? That's not being responsible, that's being reckless. Get it together.
Well, that's 1620. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Good job. When we starting this?
1st of January. I-
January 1st to June 1st.
Go to the police department.
Oh, I will.
Tell them I sent you over there.
I didn't know about that. I thought the bank would handle it.
I'd be going crazy if somebody took $3,800 out of my bank account. I mean, I would be all over them. I mean, as far as I can tell, you're the only one who didn't make a mistake. Now, this is a consent judgment. I have prepared it for all of you to sign. There's only one name on the back for a plaintiff's signature. You can both sign on that line, date it next to that signature line, and you do it for whatever reason. This form has the defendant's signature on top, but that's what it calls for. $1,623.25 is in terms of the judgment by consent. You have to pay it at the rate of $270.50 starting January 1 of 25. Sit down there. If it meets with your approval, sign the back. Don't go anywhere. We'll put it on record after you've signed it. Have a seat at the table there. I will wait right here. Go off the record, please. Sign it, Mr. Senior.
Yes.
Come on back up, everybody, as long as everybody's signed it. Wayne, back on record. Wayne and Jenny Senior versus Chris Malash, again, 2404270. Did you sign and read and understand that document, Mr. Senior?
Yes.
Did you, Ms. Senior?
Yes, sir.
Did you, Mr. Malash?
Yes, sir.
I just want to say one thing, and I don't want to belabor the point. You first told me it was over a van. Now you're telling me because somebody took the money. Which is it?
It's both. Like it's all one big mess that I was involved with. It was just a.
You contract and tell somebody to do something, you need to do it.
I know. This is the first time it's ever happened, so.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and sign the judgment. Each one of you can go down the hall. We'll give you a copy of the judgment for your records. Best of luck, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Final round, let's go. Everyone signs, judgment passed. But the judge hits Chris with one last reality check. Was it the van or the stolen money? Chris mutters, both. Well, guess what? That doesn't fix broken trust. When people pay you, you deliver. End of story. First time or not, it's your mess. Judgment signed, court's adjourned, and for Chris, it's a brutal lesson in accountability.